He said, why do people's heart attach to Medina more than in Mecca or anywhere else? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala told the Prophet ﷺ that there's a piece of Jannah here. The Rawda, right? The garden from the gardens of paradise. The Prophet ﷺ said, between my house and my pulpit is a garden from the gardens of paradise. And Allah said about paradise that when believers enter it, their hearts will never want to detach from it. لَا يَبْغُونَ عَنْهَا حِوَلًا. So because there's a piece of Jannah on earth here, your heart doesn't want to leave. That's one. Another one is because the presence of the Prophet ﷺ, no doubt. So it brings peace, tranquility, solace, comfort because of the presence of Al-Habib ﷺ, no doubt. That's why a great Imam Al-Sha'rawi, he said something very beautiful about the city. He said that Mecca Jalal, Mecca is the grandeur, the magnificence of God. You feel your ego get destroyed. A 5-foot Indonesian or Turkish auntie is going to run you over because she's seeing the Kaaba. He says, Medina to Jamal. Medina is beauty, tranquility, peace. When your soul and your ego is broken with pride, it is then mended by the love of the Prophet ﷺ.
Kale wa nasibi